Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap. In front of all of you, I am presenting the Business Line newspaper headlines. So, first of all, PV, two wheelers, REV, ahead in my CV on slow land still. Next, reappreciates about 32 paisa, biggest single day gain in 2 months. Next, GST mop up in May rises 12% year on year on robust demand. Next, Delhi High Court directs SpiceJet to pay rupees 380 crore to Maran. Next, monsoon advances into Arabian Sea, Maldives. Next, Brookfield RE invest $360 in Clean Max. Next, Apple may pass up PLI 2.0 for IT hardware. Next, FAME 2 subsidy cut to impact small new EV players most. Next, Coal India OFS institution part subscribed 3.46 times. Next, companies pride it up, embarrass Rainbow huge. Next, India's garment makers turn upbeat with global brand coming back after a lull. Next, on page number 3 news section in that in disinvestment push CBDT removes fair market value hurdle. Next, at 58.7 manufacturing PMI hits 31-month high in May. Next, Jay Shankar Lavrov discuss bilateral ties. Next, Coal India output grows 9.5% to 60 MT in May. Next, SBI Economic Research Department upgrades FY24 GDP forecast to 6.7%. Next, Indian steel buyer go back to traditional markets. Next, China India receive record Russian crude oil in May. Next, petrol diesel sales surge in May driven by agri summer demand. On by page number 4 in think section in that ignore GDPR at your own peril. Next, SAB cracks the whip. Next, perpetual wrestling with sexual abuse. On page number 5 in think section is that SEBI moved a good start. Next, NPA linked to trade credit crisis. Next, India growth story cast aside the Ukraine war gloom. Next, captive VSAT license fee to be cut. Next, Maruti IPO at a premium compared to competitors. Next, GAIL makes counter offer to Haldia Petro. On page number 8 in commodity section in that India may ship 75,000 tons of broken rice to 3 African nations. Next, wheat rice stocks comfortable to meet need safe food ministry. Next, palm oil ends higher after 3 days slump. Next, Cooper up on growth in Chinese factory activity. Next, monsoon advances into parts of South Arabian Sea, Maldives, Comorin. Next, gold edges higher on dollar pullback. Next, rubber consumption hit record high of 13.5 lakh tons in FY23. Next, lead feature go short at the current level. Next, MoPay launches heat index based insurance plan for dairy farmers. Next, why Sehwag Akshay funded this organic farming firm. Next, farmers body questions WHO call to replace tobacco. That much for today. Thanks for watching.